Hey, welcome to the Tiger K channel. See my little 95 Nissan pickup truck. This outer seal, lower seal, is bad on this truck, and I ordered some new ones from Thailand. They were way cheaper ordering them from Thailand than buying them here in the United States, if you could even find them. So I'm going to show you how to install it. It's a pretty easy thing to do. So just hang on there a minute and let me get some tools. Okay, what we got there is a hammer, some scissors, screwdriver, this, and you got to make sure you use something so you don't damage your paint. Okay, there. Now I'll set you back over here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take this anything plastic or something to save you paint here. I'm going to get up under this edge here and prise it up. I'm trying not to damage the paint. Along here and kind of get it started coming up here on this side, and then try to pry it up. There, it's starting to come. There. If I can get a hold of it. I'll just pull it up. Try a little more down here. Been on there for a lot of years. Nothing really left here but the metal. All the rubber's been gone for a long time. And there it is. There's the old one off. And we'll look at the new one here. Straighten it out a little bit there. This goes in behind your mirror a little. We need to clean this off here a little. Sticks in, kind of in behind your mirror, and goes down on there. And this side down here, it's a little too long. So I'm gonna trim it off a little bit. Trimmed about that much off. And it's still a little bit long down here. Get something, mark that and cut it off a little bit. Okay, I'm going to let you rest there a minute. while I go back there. Looks like I got to trim about a ½ inch off. Take a little break there and I'll be back. Okay, I trimmed a little off there, about a ½ inch. Now let's see if we can put her on there. Slip it in the little groove behind the mirror first. And work it down. A little hammer persuasion. A little bit of rubber down here on this corner. That's all there are to it. Appreciate you watching my video. Please like, got a question, ask me. I don't mind to answer. And we'll see you on the next video. Subscribe and like if you would like to. Thanks.